This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Carol Elliott. Welcome home to this charming, custom-built 1,556 square foot home. It features a desirable split-bedroom layout, an open-concept floor plan with kitchen and family room adjoining each other, perfect for entertaining. The functional kitchen boasts of a large island and quartz countertops. There is an abundant amount of closet space throughout the home and a whole-house water filtration system. Enjoy the warmth of the Soho brick fireplace on a chilly evening or take a stroll on your 5-acre park-like property. Large windows bring in natural light throughout the home. The front and back covered porches are convenient for grilling and relaxing with friends. The driveway is accessible by a shared easement from Asbury Rd. Conveniently located near downtown Knoxville, shopping, sports events, the new Smokies Stadium, dining, and outdoor activities. Don't miss out on your chance to own this beautiful home with acreage to Knoxville. For more